Welcome to the video. So in this video I am going to teach you about how you can use ready-made Telethon based session files or sessions+json files with our Telegram marketing tools. Our tool don't require JSON files, but if you have, you can use that too. Mainly our tools requires the Telethon module based sessions. On internet many people and we also sells the sessions, so those are ready-made sessions who can use directly with our softwares by copy-pasting the sessions into our sessions folder. But in this video I am taking example with our Telegram shilling bot. Same method you can follow with our other Telegram marketing tools as well. So let's start the video. If you have the ready-made Telethon based session, then how to use these Telethon session with this Telegram shilling tool, okay? Let me explain this to you. Now go to these sessions folder. Here you can see our one session is available that is created now by logging this Telegram account. So I have some sessions. I will copy that and I will paste it here. And you can see I have pasted here two sessions, and you have to paste those sessions number into the phone.csv file as well. So I already pasted the two sessions in the session folder, and now I have saved the numbers as well in the phone file and close the file. When I run this login accounts button, you can see all accounts are logged in successfully because those sessions are valid and ready to use with our Telegram shilling tool. Now we have ban filter option as well. So using that option you can check if any of the Telegram account is banned or not. Banned number already and automatically will be separated from the phone.csv file, and all the active and good numbers will be available in our phone.csv file. So this will be automated process. Thanks for watching this video.